I just can't believe I'm here right now. Like, I can't believe it's a weekday during the school year and we are at a campground during a pandemic. And that campground is located in a cabin area with hot and cold running water inside the cabins. No toilets, but that's okay. 2 beds. Full-size beds. A table, a refrigerator, and then you just walk out your front door and this is there. The beach with pebbles instead of sand. No harsh winds at all. I've got a sunshade because I am smart. And a mother. Oh my god, it's cool out here. I can't really see through the camera right now. Oh. Great investment. You're not allowed to stake anything into the ground at this park. It's a sacred ritual type situation. Don't worry, I checked. But if you bring this, you don't have to have that. You can use a sandbag, which is what I've got. It's actually filled with rocks, but same difference, to hold it down. So you're not stabbing the earth. There's whales out there. Orca and gray whale are both inhabitant right now, and they're both out there somewhere. We heard a whale last night, and the lady next door said another lady passed and said they saw a whale today, like during the daytime. So hopefully at some point a whale will jump up into the air on this camera. Probably not. We've seen a seal. A dog attacked the maintenance man a minute ago. Not my dog. Not my maintenance man. Not my problem. Oh, goddamn. I am slowly sinking down the rocks on this. I can just feel myself sliding down the RUMPL. Literally. I can... Oh, dear. I'm gonna have to adjust. Okay.